Hey, I'm Melissa Cookston down at Memphis in May, and we're cooking up some great food for you. I've started off with a half pork loin, USA Prime from Prairie Fresh. I've cut up 4 thick pork chops here, and we're just gonna season them with a couple of my rubs. This is the garlic blend. I'm gonna put a light dusting of that. And we're gonna come back with another layer of Grillin shake. Now we're gonna get these on the grill. So now we're gonna use our meter in order to watch the internal temperature of these pork chops. So first, I turn the meter on. I choose standalone. I choose probe 4. Set up cook. Pork loin and medium rare. And I'm going to insert the meter until I reach the little line on the probe. And now we're gonna get them on the grill. As the pork chops are finishing up, we're gonna make a simple glaze to go on top. We're gonna start by using half a jar, and this is my peach rosemary jam that will be coming out soon at melissacookston.com, and I'm so excited about it. It is so scrumptious. A little bit of thyme. A little bit of stone ground mustard. And this is some white balsamic vinegar. I'm going to stir this and just bring it to a boil on the grill as well. So we'll have a nice glaze. My meter is telling me that my pork chops are ready to rest, so I'm going to put them on my cutting board. And we'll finish the sauce. So my pork chops have rested. Beautiful moisture. My sauce is ready. Are you ready? Beautiful chunks of peach. I see all the herbs. It's so shiny, and I can't wait. Oh, so tender. That is so tender and juicy. You really got to try this recipe. MelissaCookston.com.